starting the recording. Okay, so if you go right, that is view profile. View profile we already completed, but okay, anyhow, we'll see. Okay, if you go to SAP, equipment FL same. Okay, anything, the logic is same. We'll see for equipment. You can do in FL also. Okay. Okay, go to SPRO, go to SAP reference IMG, go to equipment category, master data, technical objects, equipment. You have the equipment category, right? So to go, okay. OI. Yes. Okay, got it. Fine. Okay, go here. Don't touch M. Okay, always don't touch M. It's standard. Okay, we'll go for maybe T. Okay, for T the view probably is SKS, right? Go back. Okay, sorry. SKT, right? Okay. View profile. Okay. No. Technical object. Gender data. Here the view profile. Okay. Right. SKT. Equipment. Right. SKT. SKS. Okay. Go to SKS. Select there. Go to activity and layout. Additional data one. You can do in additional data one also. Anything. Any additional data. That's not issues. Actually, what you expect, I will tell you. Even in the class, the same issue happen. Sometime both will not take in the same stream. It will tell you both not allowed like that. That one error it will throw. That would be the if you had faced. Okay. So
Yeah, with what happened with me, right? The same thing,
yes,
I think.
yes,
This
yes,
full
yes.
screen issue, yeah.
That's a issue that faced. Okay, that would be issue. So document PRT, right? Yeah, documents. Okay, so come down, take 122, additional 60, 122, save it. Yes, but when you try to say take both, right, it will throw error. See, it will not allow you to take the both. You need to take at least at one time one. Okay, so now 122 is there. Category is P. Category is P. Okay. This would be the issue. Am I right? Vaidik, is this the issue you are facing?
No, actually, these configuration all is fine. These are all fine.
Mm.
The thing is, in the equipment, I cannot see the additional data tab itself. That one and
Then
two,
you
it's
didn't
both are
do
not
the
coming.
proper config. Your proper configuration is not proper. See, it's coming for me. You are missing something in the config. Or you check whether you are taking the correct category for the correct view profile and whether this view profile is having the correct 122. This 122,
Okay, one
you
second.
randomly try this 122, 120. For me, 122 is working. You can try the same 122. Document subscreen. Maybe you would have
Okay.
taken 120. Wait. We'll see what is happening. I am taking 120.
Rupesh, the tab active tick marks is also
Mandatory.
compulsory, right?
Yes. Who is this? Ronak or who is this?
Niranjan,
Very good point.
Niranjan.
Yes, this tick mark is mandatory. If this tick mark is there, then only your tab will come. Yes, mandatory. Compulsory. This tick mark is mandatory. If this tick mark is not given, your tab will not come. First, we'll go one by one. Okay. So I'll remove this tick mark. Save it. I'll create a new category. T. Okay. If you give T, See, the additional data tab is not coming. As Niranjan told, this tick mark is mandatory. This question was asked by Ronak, I think so, during the class. Am I right, Ronak? Hey,
Yes, I asked.
you asked this question, I remember. This tick mark question you asked me, very clear. I remember that. Okay. So first you check whether the tick mark is given and this 120 is given. Okay. Now save this. First save this. Now again create a new equipment. See, PRT, yeah, it's important, not very important, I can tell. Okay. Yeah, it is coming. Okay, I'll change it to 122. This is the issue. Otherwise, tomorrow you share the screen, we can see what is the issue. This is the thing. This is the thing.
Yes,
Or
sure. Okay.
tomorrow you share the screen. Still, if you face issue, we can figure it out what is the issue. In case this is the month. First, as our Niranjan told, first check whether the tick mark is given. That is the first point you need to check. Don't do for M, play for T. Okay, play for T. It's coming
Okay,
both.
sure.
Okay, so play for
Okay.
other module, other than M and P. Other than M and P, you play for other any category. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some other
Thank you.
question you are asking. What other question? See, PRT configuration, all they won't ask in the interview. 100% they will not ask. Okay. Even in the job also, PRT config very rare. Okay. Very rare. Just teaching extra topics. That's it. Okay. But not. You should know that I am not telling no. Now you have other things to concentrate like FL equipment, view profile, that and all concentrate more. Work order process, confirmation, that and all you should be very thorough. Yeah, this is second option I'm telling. Learning is good, but always focus on the important points on the first level. Second level, yeah, little here and there. Yeah. So yes, you any other things, any other questions from anyone? Any is Vaidiki, this is the only question. Do you have any other question, Vaidiki?
Yeah. No questions. That's all. No questions.
Okay. What about Rashid? What is going on your side? Have you completed the master data measuring point and your what is that? Class and characteristics and your BOM? Had you, Rashid?
No, sir, still. Sir, too
That's
much
what
busy schedule.
that's what I asked you when the course started. Can you join 4 p.m. batch? I know it is not possible because you are totally new to SAP. Others and all are having some basic knowledge. Okay, if now also I'm telling if you are okay, you join 4 p.m. batch, there is a fresh batch. Okay, 3:30 or 4:30, a fresh batch is starting. If you want to join, then it's your wish. It's your thing. Okay, I know you struggle because you don't know anything SAP. Learning
Yeah.
under me is not easy. I know. Initially, I called you. That's it. Okay. Things apart. Okay, that you think can come back. So yeah, today we'll go to the next topic. We last class we started with notification. Okay. So notification is nothing but the intimation or the information. Okay, to trigger a maintenance. Okay, to trigger a maintenance. That is called as notification. Okay. Notification can be created by anyone, not only maintenance. Any production, anyone can create notification. Okay, anyone can create notification. Okay, to intimate a maintenance to be carried. To intimate, but some maintenance to be carried. Okay, there are three types of notification. Very important. Okay, M1, M2, and M3. Okay, M1, M2, and M3. That are the three types of notification. Very important. M1, M2, M3. Maintenance request. That's what I'm like. Here and all you should concentrate. That's what I'm like. These important things, right? M1 maintenance request, M2 market. This and all you should concentrate high level. Yep. I'm not telling learning no. I want you guys to focus on the important things. Okay. So M1, M2, and M3, right? So I already touched. Just I'm telling. Okay. This is generally M1 is the general routine maintenance. Okay. And M2 is for the breakdown. Okay. That is what we are going to do now. And M3 for the malfunction report. M3 for the sorry. M3 is only activity, some work completed. Okay, that is called the M3 report. M3 very rare. They are using or not in the project. I don't know. M1, M2, yes. M1, M2 mandatory. Okay, M1, M2, M2 very important. So they suddenly ask you. This is the interview question. What are the types of notification? M1, M2. Along with that, you should know this name: maintenance request, malfunction report, and active report. They may expect if you are a SAP consultant. Okay, M1, M2, M3. Okay, but try to remember this first: maintenance request, malfunction report, and duty report. Okay, so we'll go to the system. T code is first we'll start with report IW 28 and 29. Okay, so 29 is the notification report. Okay, so we'll come down with created on date or created by. I think my I created by will go. Always run reports, very important. Mm, okay. So, oh my God, with my ID, so much notifications are there. Okay, this is the notification number, description, notification status, still other things. You can go with this change layout. This we already see. Okay, mainly work orders there or not. You can check from your cost center. Okay, work orders there or not. Run reports. Okay, order number. Okay, and the plan section like that. If you want planning plan, right? So like that, if you want notification, yeah, notification is very important, right? Notification type, right? Like that, whatever you want, you can take from here. Created by, created on. Okay, created on. Okay, save. So from here you can see that this notification order is not created. Okay, here order are there. Here order is not created. Here order is not created. Okay, so you can see the status OSNO. Okay, outstanding. This NOPR. OSNO. Okay, OSNO status. So now we'll see how to create a notification table SC16N VIQMEL. Okay, VIQMEL. Okay, so created on or created by, right? You can take anything. Okay, planning plant 1710. Okay, or any plant as per your system. Number of entries. Okay, so it is 282. You can execute or you can go with created on, created by. Control F. Created. Okay, so created by, created on, you can take. Okay, number of entries. Okay, right click, execute. Okay, you can see the notifications are directly code. Table is VIQMEL. Okay, so this is the notifications plant. Okay, then I'll look at it. Now we'll see how to create the notification. So there are three types of notification: M1, M2, M3. Okay, M2 is very important for the breakdown. And the Y1 and Y2. This is phase based. We need to go. This is yeah. This is for M2. Okay. M2, but the in the means reactive is not for breakdown. It's for the what I can tell, to avoid breakdown. Okay, so this is to avoid preventive. Reactive is like uh, kind of M1. Okay, kind of M1 that we'll discuss detail. Okay, now M1, M2, M3. This please don't forget. Okay, types of notification, maintenance request, malfunction, and activity. This may be basic types of notification. If you don't know, then it won't be good. Okay, so take
But
M1.
but
Yeah,
these numbers can be interchanged, right?
you are telling this M1, M2, M3.
Yeah.
See, if you want, you interchange on other things. But M1, M2, M3 don't interchange. It is standard used for 30-40 years in global. Okay.
Okay, because we have M1 as corrective. Yeah, M2
That's what
is
you can do.
malfunction.
No, that's possible. I can do now itself. If I go to the configuration,
Yeah, yeah.
within seconds I can modify. But standard, what is there in the global, you should know. That's what I'm telling.
Okay,
Standard.
okay, okay.
You can tell. M1 in my
Yes,
command
yes.
is correct, you can tell. But standard as a consultant, you should know. That's what I'm like. Because you cannot
Okay,
tell I
okay.
am in one project, that one project only I can do. You
Mm-hmm.
cannot tell that. You understand? You should know the
Got it, got
global standard. Then they'll tell, okay, you know your plant only, you don't know other notification, they will tell. You got my point.
it. Yeah,
You don't know the
got it,
standard
got
things, you are working on single project. You don't know what are the standard notification type, you don't know, they will tell. You know only one project specific, you know, they will tell. You are clear.
it. Clear, clear,
That
very
will
clear.
not be
Thank you.
good. You should not stick with one plant specific. That's what I'm telling. From the interview perspective also.
Yeah.
Global standard things you should know.
Rupesh,
Yes.
Niranjan here.
Yeah.
We can create means we can as per the plant requirement we can create the notification types as per the plant means requirement.
Yes.
Okay.
If the business don't want M1, M23, they want like this, you can create OS1, OS2, OS3. Yes,
Yes.
it's up to the business.
Okay.
It's up to anything can be created new. But standard, what is there, you should know as a consultant. That's what I'm telling.
Yes. Yeah.
90% you can create any fresh data. Anything, everything. It's not that equipment means you need to use MM category only. You can use any category. But what is the global standard that you should know? You got my point. If you're telling my company I'm using S1 means or some other like some other means, then they will decide you know only your project outside standard. What is the SAP? You don't know. Standard you should know
Yes.
mandatory to work on any projects. Are you clear?
Yes.
ABC is standard that is used in global world, but you are telling in my company I am using DEF. You ask me question on only DEF. Then you are stricter to one your project. You don't know what is the global ABC in the world. Then you are lagging. Am I right or wrong?
Oh, yeah.
You are lagging with
You're
the
right.
world. You don't know the standard. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
All are clear?
Clear, clear. Thank you.
Okay. No, no, 100% valid. This and all you should know. Ask questions. It's valid. No issues. I thought of finishing catalog profile, but I'm not sure. Okay. So M1, M2, the maintenance request, malfunction report. Because these are all very simple, basic, expected. Even 2 years who are working as end user, no, they will tell and go. M1 maintenance request, M2 malfunction. It depends. That's what depends on the project, the experience you are getting in the work. But now you are not working in a project, you are finishing training and going. Okay, there will be people who will be only 2 years, but they will use this M1, M2, M3 1,000 times. More than you, they will tell and go. Do you understand now? So what will happen to the panel people? This guy don't know basic notifications. 2 year people know M1, M2, M3. I'll take him and go. Are you clear? Standard you should know, then only other
Yes.
things. If you don't know standard, then it will
Yeah.
not be acceptable in the SAP projects. Standard plus other things you tell. M1, M2, 3 standard. But in my project, we are using M1 as corrective, M2 as that is good answer. Standard M1, M2, M3, maintenance malfunction and activity standard, global use. But in my project, we are using M1 as corrective, M2 as so, M3 as so. That's so. Standard you should know. Okay. Right. So we'll go with M1. Okay. So don't give the notification number, press enter. Description. Okay. Steam oil meters, give the equipment number. Okay. Give the equipment number and reported by. Okay, who reported this issue? This you can give. Not very important. Reported by, yeah, you who reported this issue. You can give. Okay, and yeah, then your work center will come, planner group will come. Okay, and your equipment FL. Okay, and this is the breakdown. Okay, this I will come. Okay, and then this and all are catalog profile. This and all are catalog profile. We'll see if time permits. Will and this location same your work order related to your plan section planner group. This is there in the work order. Cost center and all you know. Okay, and yeah, status is outstanding. Order is not there, so it is outstanding. Okay, if you create order, the status outstanding will change. Okay, so order screen to notification back. You can see the status is assigned, order assigned. Okay, so this is what, and yeah, that's all about the notification. This is catalog profile. I'll come there. That's all on the notification creation. This is what, there is no techo. Techo is there. Techo is there. There is no confirmation. There is no material, and there is no FI. No material, no finance, no confirmation in the notification. Any other questions in the notification?
Yeah. Uh, the required start and end date.
Mm.
Okay, that one I believe it comes from the function location. I mean the priority set in the backend. So who decides that? Who does those configuration?
Priority, we only need to do configuration. Priority, we only need
Uh,
to do the configuration. If priority is empty, it should take today. It is taken today only. If priority taken only, from the date will come. If priority is empty, it should take today default date.
okay.
Enter date, you give it.
If can,
Tell me.
yeah, can we select low priority? Let's see what
Here it
date
will not
comes.
change. You need to come from the first, I think so. I think here it will not change.
Yeah.
What is changing here? Oh. In work order, if you go inside and change, it will not change. In notification changing, I am seeing. Oh. Notification is changing. But in work order, no. If you go inside and change, it will not change. It will affect only the front
Yeah.
screen. See here.
Yeah, once it is created, it.
Here, if you change, right, the
Okay.
dates will not change. In the work order, it will not change. You need to give in the front screen. If you come inside and change, it will not change the work order. But notification has this option. I am seeing today only. Okay. Notification has this functionality. If you don't keep this anything, it will take today date. End date you enter. That's it. Fine. Anything questions here?
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, this I will come. Malfunction I will come. This is normal your cost center, work center, everything. This and all your overall dates. Okay. When you are completing takeout date, start date, end date, who reported, notification, work start date, like that. This is preventive. We'll see later. And this is catalog of it. So that's all on the notification creation. Any questions on the IW22? Enter. Any questions here on the notification? Okay. Coming to the M2, that is the breakdown process. Okay. M2 is specifically for the breakdown. Okay.
I have a question here. So in the notification, right? If how notification will be sent manually, or whenever the equipment is being repaired or something, it will go automatically. The notification will go automatically.
No. Not repair completed. Repair is there. You are intimating. Okay. So that's what I started here. You can see from the report. Where is that report? I opened, right? From there you can see that is the easy way, right? Notification created. Go to IW29, today notification created. From there you trigger your orders. Go with the dates. Okay. You go notification created today from IW. From there you can trigger out whether order is there or not. created on today. Okay. If you want, you can set up workflow. That you need to work with the workflow consultant, ABAP and the workflow consultant. Or from IW 28 and 29, you need to create you need to check the notifications created today, and from there you trigger your maintenance. That is create your work order manually. Automatic work order creation is possible. I think I told in the last class. When you create work order, that is notification work order can be created. That I told in the last class, didn't I?
No, it's the other way around, right? For
No,
work order and notification.
yes, that I told in the last class in the order down.
But notification and automatic work order, that's also possible.
Your voice is kind of echo something is there. It's hearing partially. Okay, this is the important config. This one, notification or integration. This I told, I think showed in the class also. So if you want always order notification matter, some projects are there. Any order it will be issued notification. Any notification should be with order paired always. And you can do this config and go. No. I will. Why the reason means sometimes the notification created would be not a needed one. Unknown people they will create notification and go. It may not require a work order. It may be a wrong creation or knowledge gap or like that. So they can cancel and go. They can set the deletion flag. Okay, or they can like that they can cancel the reject the notification and they can go. Clear?
Yes. So, okay, I have a one more question. So the notification will be created as per the function location also, specified location also.
As per you, same like work order, the cooling pump system, total cooling pump system in the inlet water leak is there. Total cooling pump inlet line, total process wise. Yeah, I can do. Work orders are the same. I can do work order on the only FL also. Without equipment, I can do on FL also.
Okay.
Same FL equip work order notification same. You can if you want to do equipment, FL will come as information. If you want to do only on FL, you can do. No issues. FL is kind of your process or space.
So,
Mm.
okay, I would like to know. So the notification is the mandatory that business will be if for example, if the business is having the planned maintenance, they're using the module. So is that mandatory? They'll be using this notification
It's up to the
for.
business. It's up to the business. I
So
don't want
apart from the
notification.
notification, any other option is there for example, the some we are doing in the same function location for one of the equipment. We are doing some services, routine services for 1 year of any free services. So will the notification will work like that, or any other notification will be like alert or monitoring? Any other notification is there? Or only one process of the notification in the PM module?
No, you're see in the preventive there is condition based maintenance. Okay, that will automatically trigger notification when your parameters, your measuring point and documents parameters are not under control. Automatically notification can be triggered. That is one way. Then we have the preventive maintenance. Preventive is to avoid breakdown. There also, if you want to go through preventive, you can go through preventive and notification from notification to the work order. There is no standard condition. Always notification is required. It's up to the business. Some process they will tell I don't want notification. I'll go work order directly. It's up to the business how they want. They will maintain they see they will evaluate their maintenance with respect to the work orders. Okay. If you come with notification, you come from notification, you create work order and go. I don't have issues. But my maintenance, I will process with my work orders. Notifications there, let it be. I don't have issues. You got my point.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Some project, no. Whatever case, I need a notification mandatory. Then you can track with notification also. It's up to the business how they want. And some orders, as I told, work orders we had seen. I last class, I think I told you different work order process, corrective, preventive, breakdown. So some they will keep notification, some they may keep without notification. That also chances are there. You got it right. Last class I told some corrective, preventive, breakdown, calibration. So in this they will tell for this I need notification, for this I don't want notification. That also they can trigger and go. Clear? It's up to the business how they want notification or without notification.
Okay.
But manually you can create. System will not block you to create it. That is you can do. That is also config is there. For this order type, there should not be notification. Means you don't do the configuration. Notification to order configuration is there. That notification to order. Notification to only this is the no other config. This is only notification to order. This is only config. Other than that, there is no direct config. Only this. Then you cannot block. If you want to use for M and for CU03, it will allow. There is CU, you cannot block. Correct. If I want to use M1 for CU03, yeah, it will allow. Any notification type by standard you can use for any order type. There is no restriction.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
No issues. Yeah, this is about the notification. Okay, now we'll see the breakdown process. Okay, same everything. Only thing your notification type is changing. M2. I will tell you very important. Okay. Breakdown. Most of the interview questions they will ask. Okay. Breakdown, MM integration, calibration. These three should be fingertips if you are going for technical round. Write in your handout. Breakdown process, MM integration, and calibration. These three should be mandatory fingertips if you are going for technical. So M1, everything the same. There is no difference. All the same. Okay. Everything the same. Okay. So there will be a tab malfunction. Okay. First, tell me what do you mean by breakdown? I think we discussed last class. Yeah, we discussed something. What do you mean by breakdown? First concept you should know. What do you mean by breakdown process? I think someone told last class. Niranjan or Ronak, I don't sure. What is breakdown? Hello?
The machine which is
Yeah.
in the running condition, it stops working.
Stops working. Emergency
In
methods to
process,
be carried. Correct?
emergency. Yes.
Emergency
Yeah.
because
In process, it
mostly
stops working.
mostly my production got disturbed. Okay. That is the breakdown. Emergency. Okay. Emergency methods. Yeah. What you told is 100% correct. I'm just making clear. It's emergency methods. Okay, maybe production got disturbed. Production means by profit loss, profit getting disturbed
Production
by
loss.
thing, or there can be option very critical object under breakdown. Two compressors are there. One compressor running the parallel okay, the running compressor got breakdown, parallel compressor started, but the standby is not running. It's critical only. If both compressors are out, my plant will not run. Okay, not only production. This is not for interview. This is not very important, but just I'm telling you. Not production to be disturbed. If critical, very critical. If everything you should not tell breakdown. Very critical object is this. So this word, if you are not using the malfunction word, your answer is not correct for the breakdown. This word malfunction you should use. Write in your handout breakdown hyphen malfunction start date and time in your handout. If possible, you have right now. Breakdown malfunction start date malfunction end date. I will wait for 2 minutes if required. And a breakdown tick mark. I'm giving time you people to write because this is very important. This tick mark is important for PM module, not for notification update. For the PM module, multiple times this breakdown they will touch with respect to this breakdown technique. Writing? Anyone writing or only I am writing?
Yeah.
Noted. Okay.
No, I am waiting for, I'm going slowly for that. I'm giving time for that only. If you guys are just seeing, I will continue. These 5 words are very important. For PA module, the tick mark is very important. Total PA module. Most of the interviews they will go for breakdown. Something they will ask on breakdown. Okay. So what do you mean by malfunction? It is the time at which the breakdown started. This is the time, date. Okay, I am giving yesterday date for now because you can give anything. Okay, and give today malfunction. My work is breakdown is completed. Okay, actually in this that word is not there. This PPT had sent today, but in this that breakdown word is not there. Tick mark is there, but they didn't speak of this malfunction date. They didn't speak. That is the main important point, but they didn't speak on this document. I saw that. Okay, I think it is not speaking. Okay, so that malfunction word is, if it use the word malfunction during the breakdown, that's all your answer is correct in the interview. That word should come in your mouth, malfunction. That word start date and malfunction end date. Okay, in this it is not there. That's what I'm trying. I saw this is a breakdown document, but in that I didn't see that malfunction they are entering. This and all came, but I think they didn't. Before the class I saw this. Did they enter cost? See, they are putting here, but they didn't give the importance of this. They didn't specify separately. They didn't specify. Generally, like general, they had entered, but they didn't specify this importance of this. Okay, right. So this is a malfunction started. I am pressing enter. I am pressing enter in my keyboard. The duration is not appearing. If I give the tick mark, if I press enter, my duration appears. Okay. If I give the tick mark only, the duration appears. If I am not giving the tick mark, okay, if I am not giving the tick mark, this is M2, I am giving start date, end date, everything. This is not a breakdown notification, even though it is M2. If I give this tick mark only, this notification will be considered for breakdown. Any doubt on my words?
No.
If I'm not giving this tick mark, this is M1, M2, anything. It's a general notification like M1 only. There is no difference. Why? Why? Because first point your breakdown duration. Second, you have specific reports for this breakdown. Okay, you have specific reports for this breakdown, MCJB and MCJC. Okay, MCJB and MCJC. Okay, so yes, it is there. Okay, I'll come. I'm taking 105. I think it will not come. It came. Okay, so MCJB is for equipment, MCJC for FL. Okay, MCJC for FL. To get mean time to do repair, mean time between repair. Again, I'm telling mean time to do repair, mean time between repair. Okay, between repair. Okay, so here itself. Sorry, this here itself. Okay. So M3 is only for entering the old work completed. Okay, history of the failures. Okay, so this and all this we have discussed. Okay, notification table. This and all we discussed. Yeah, yeah. So MTTR mean time taken to do repair. That is Average. So first repair, okay. First repair it took 5 hours. Second repair it took 25 hours. Third repair it took 300 hours. Fourth repair it took 13 hours. Fifth repair it took 6 hours. Average 69. 69 is the mean time to do finish my repair. That is called MTTR. Average. Mean time to do repair. Mean average. That system will calculate automatically. System will calculate automatically only if the breakdown tick mark is given. Time between repair, mean time MTTR, MTBR, MTTR, okay, and our daytime. This MTTR, MCJB T code will only work if this tick mark is given. If the tick mark is not given, you will not get this report. That is what I told. If the tick mark is not given, this is not a breakdown notification. Even though it is a M2, it is a general notification. And mean time between repair. The average time between each repair. That is the running time. Each repair, between each repair. Understand what I am trying to tell? Average time between each repair. The average time between each repair. That is
Yeah, so the MTVR will come only if there have been multiple malfunctions, right?
100%. First breakdown, you will not get this report at all. Very good. Is it Ronak? If you have
Yeah.
only one breakdown, this output you will not get. When the second breakdown notification is there, only you will get the output.
Yeah.
First breakdown, you create an equipment, create only one breakdown and see, you will not get the output in MCJB and MCGC. Because it needs a second notification, then only the repair and the time taken will take into system. You are clear? What you told is absolutely right. Only one breakdown, it will not give the output. Second mandatory. Then only you will get the output here. This T code itself, then it will work. Clear on this?
Yes.
To all,
Yes.
there is one important grandfather. We have seen mother, children, grandfather. There is a grandfather in the top. What is that? Your startup date. The MTT or MTBR is getting calculated from the startup date. This, you go to the FL first video, I would have told this to you. Your breakdown, even if you give the tick mark, this output will only come the startup date is maintained in your technical object, because MTT or MTBR calculation is taken from this field, start of this field. From the start of this field, if you keep empty, you will not get your MTT or MTBR. Clear? Mean time between failures. Okay? If the startup date is not maintained in your technical object, even you give the breakdown tick mark, you will not get the output here. This is the breakdown process. For everything, again, this tick mark is mandatory. Okay? This tick mark is mandatory. Then you will get the question, and then your MCJB and MCJC code for equipment and FL for MCG, for MTTR and MTPR. And you have one report also in IW29 also, you will have the breakdown tick mark. That's one field is here. If you want to take only breakdown related notification, right? There is a field here. This is IW29, right? There is a field for breakdown here. If you give the tick mark here from IW29, you can take the report only for breakdown. Yes, completed breakdown process. I'll go give this PPT. You go through. Please be very serious on breakdown. Very, very serious on it now. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Breakdown completed. Notification and breakdown completed. Anything, let me know. Concept, understand concept, that's all, nothing. I'm telling multiple times because you should understand. That's what I'm telling multiple times. Concept, if you know, it's nothing. But from the interview, very, very important for breakdown. Yeah, let me know if anyone have any questions. If not, I think notification, yeah, it is there. In this PPT itself, it is there. Breakdown, it's given already. You can go through this. So can we close for today? Tomorrow I will update regarding my availability. I'm not sure. My son birthday, so I will update according my availability. Anything, let me know. If not, we can.
Yeah,
Yes.
I have a doubt not
Hmm.
related to notification,
Hmm.
but my question is like during project implementation, there will be thousands of technical objects to be created. So
1,000
how are
ability-based
we gonna
integration also. Hmm.
yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
then how are we gonna create them? It
LSMW,
should be some
LSMW, LTMC. Are you there? Hello.
yeah.
LSMW, LTMC. We will be covering, sir. Why you
Okay.
are worrying?
We'll be covering that. Okay,
Then
okay.
data
Okay.
upload mandatory LSMW. Then how you will handle the project if you go? LSMW, LTMC mandatory, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Tomorrow I will update.